Hey there everybody, Bruce Bishop from the Chronicle Telegram, back with our November 17th Lorain County coronavirus update. We have a lot of information again today. So, Lorain County Public Health announced new numbers today, 136 new cases. So total cases are over 5,000, we're at 5,073. Public Health also announced they will not be announcing quarantine numbers anymore. Apparently the numbers have reached a point where there's not a lot of value to reporting them. There are just so many people. UH Elyria had a Zoom meeting this afternoon where they announced that their ICU beds are at capacity or near capacity. They've opened another floor to kind of add some additional bed space. They do say that they're maintaining right now. One thing they said is they do have a lot of staff now who are starting to get sick, and people have been going out. Big news from the governor today. We have an announcement that beginning on Thursday from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. we will be under curfew for 3 weeks. They announced that all 88 counties in the state are high incidence, and all of those are actually double the number, which would be 100 cases per 100,000. Putnam County, unfortunately, in northwest Ohio, is kind of leading the pack with 1,200 cases per 100,000 people. So that's clearly a dramatic problem that they're dealing with. The governor did have some good news that we have 2 vaccines that are being worked on right now. Both of them are showing very good numbers in trials, and they're getting closer and closer to being released to the public. Some school news. We do know that they're still planning on going ahead with some late fall school sports. Basketball is coming up. However, there's been a survey released to all of the Ohio High School Athletic Association directors and coaches, and the results are coming back on that. So there's some question about whether or not they will actually be playing, but as of now, they're planning on going ahead with a lower number of people in the stands. Speaking of schools, Oberlin's saying that they will be staying online until January 19th. Wellington schools had to do a shutdown this afternoon after a staff member came up positive, as a staff member came up in trace testing, so they needed to be safe and shut down for the afternoon. One thing I want to bring up to everybody real quick, tomorrow on the Chronicle Facebook starting at 9 a.m., our Jason Hawk and Kristen Bauer met with Dr. Harry Kessler today. He's a microbiology virologist expert at Lorain County Community College. We're going to be doing a new segment every half hour talking to him about questions about COVID, about testing, about how the disease is spread, and questions about holidays, do masks really work, and some more in-depth information on the testing, in-depth testing on the vaccines, and how he feels about that. So stick with us. We'll keep giving you guys numbers. We'll keep giving you information. Stay safe, and we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you.